loves, it's Mima here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are creating this beautiful Fulani braids inspired protective hairstyle using my 3-in-1 kinky texture half wig from HerGivenHair. If you have not seen my previous video where I blended this wig with my natural hair, make sure you go check it out after this video because that is where I showed the full installation and everything you need to know about this wig. So for this style, the most important thing is the braiding pattern. I'm keeping things really simple and beginner friendly because I don't like overcomplicated hairstyles now. I wanted something really cute, protective and easy to recreate. So I start by sectioning my hair and creating the center braid first because that helps determine the final look of this hairstyle. For this style, I'm going to be keeping everything really simple and beginner friendly. I'm not trying to create perfect straight salon parts now. I just want a neat foundation that will bring the hairstyle together. And since my hair is already quite long, I don't need to add extensions. I simply work with my natural hair and braid it down section by section. Now I'm going to part the front section of my hair because I'll be braiding it down to hold our beads later and give this hairstyle that classic Fulani braids look. So when braiding, I start by dividing the section into 3 equal parts. Then I begin crossing the strands over each other while gently feeding in the hair from the same section. So I try to keep my fingers close to my scalp so the braid stays neat and secured without being too tight. And as I move down the braid, I make sure to keep the tension consistent, not too tight and not too loose. That way the braids stay neat while still feeling comfortable. Once I get about halfway down the length of my hair, I switch from braiding to twisting the remaining hair because this makes the style much easier to take down later and saves me a whole lot of time. To keep everything looking neat, I apply a little edge control as I go. This really helps smooth down any flyaways and make the parts looking cleaner. So as you can see, I did 4 braidings in the first half of my hair, and now after finishing that one side, I repeat the exact same process on the other side, following the same pattern and making sure everything stays as symmetric as possible. Little by little, the style is starting to come together, and this is usually my favorite part because I can finally see the vision coming to life. So next, I'm going to secure the remaining hair at the back. You already know I like keeping the back simple whenever the focus of the hairstyle is at the front. Now for my favorite part, the beads. Yeah, I use a bobby pin to thread the beads onto the front braids. And honestly, this is one of the easiest methods ever if you pay attention. All I do is hook my braid onto the bobby pin and slide the bead right onto my hair. As you can see, the beads instantly transform the whole look and it's giving that beautiful traditional Fulani inspired finish. Now it's time for the wig. You can tell I am super excited. I'm super excited of how this hair is coming to life. If you have seen my previous video, then you will definitely recognize this beauty. This is the same 3-in-1 kinky texture half wig from HerGivenHair. Since I've already done a full unboxing and detailed review of this wig in my previous video, I'll put the video at the top right corner on the screen. So one thing I love about this wig is how beginner friendly it is. It comes with adjustable straps, multiple combs and a drawstring, which all work together to keep the wig nice and secure. So before putting it on, I decided to fluff it out out a little bit more because I want it to be, a little bit big, give that beautiful afro look. Sometimes I love wearing it with the defined coils. I love this fuller, fluffier texture it has. That's one of the reasons I enjoy this hair so much. You can switch up the look depending on your mood. So next, I'll go ahead and secure my hair with a stocking cap, making sure everything is tucked away neatly. And now let's install the wig. First, I position it properly on my head and secure the straps. Then I insert the front comb, followed by the two side combs, and finally the comb at the back. And once everything is in place, I tighten the drawstring for extra security. After securing everything, this wig is going absolutely nowhere. It's not comfortable and secured enough for everyday wear. Just look at the volume already. The afro look is honestly so gorgeous on its own. And if you're someone who loves big textured hair, you could easily stop right here and rock it exactly like this. But you already know me. I love juicy defined coils. So let's take things one step further. To define the coils, I work in small sections because that's honestly the secret. Patience is key when it comes to getting beautifully defined coils. So I start by spraying the hair with water, then I apply my coiling cream and gently brush through each section. So I continue the same process throughout the entire wig, taking my time and making sure every section gets some love. And once everything is fully defined, just look at the transformation. Look at the coils. The coils is looking so soft, defined and super juicy, and this is exactly the look I'm going for. The braids, the beads, the texture, the volume, everything just comes together so beautifully. And honestly, this hairstyle is giving summer vacation, soft life and main character energy all at once. I love how versatile this wig is because in one video I can wear it as a natural blend, and in another video I can pair it with a Fulani braids for a completely different look. That's what makes a good wig worth having. You're not limited to one hairstyle, you get multiple looks from the same hair, and I absolutely love it. I'm just taking a moment to enjoy the final look and show you every angle because this hairstyle deserves to be seen from every side. Just look at the texture, the volume, the braids, the beads, everything came together so beautifully. So I let the hair air dry for a little while, and once it was about 80% dried, I came back, accessorized the look, laid my edges, and this is the final look. And honestly, this hairstyle is giving everything it's supposed to give. What I love most is that this is the same wig I used in my previous video, yet it gives a completely different look. That's the beauty of having a versatile textured hair. You can switch things up depending on your mood and still have a natural looking result. So if you're interested in this 3-in-1 kinky textured half wig, I'll leave all the details in my description box below, along with my discount code and direct link to the hair. And if this exact texture isn't a perfect match for your hair type, HerGivenHair has other texture options available, so you can choose one that blends best with your own natural hair. Let me know in the comments what you think about this Fulani braid look. Is this a style you would try? So we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye loves.